Alright, YouTube subscribers, thank you. My name is Rayshawn, known as Ray Niz on Facebook, also known as Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 on YouTube. Now, what's going on is on this video's episode of What's in the Box. Now, what's going on is that as you can see, it's a Hunter Dominion 2 Ceiling Fan box. But you may be thinking, Ray, is it really a Hunter Dominion Ceiling Fan in the box? Well, no, it's not. Well, I'm about to go on and tell you guys what it is. It's a 42-inch polished brass Emerson Northwind ceiling fan that I ordered from some ceiling fan collector named Dan Spiffy Newman. Because he had a video of an Emerson ceiling fan called the Northwind, 42 inches, and it was polished brass. And he had it for sale because he didn't know what to do with it. And due to the fact that it wasn't anything specific he wanted off the fan and stuff. So that's why I decided to purchase the fan from him and stuff. So other than that, I'm about to go on and open up this box and stuff. So here it is. Hold on, you guys. Come on. Hold on. Give me a minute. Dang it, I said a bad word. Excuse my language. So, as you can see, now it's a canopy inside this bag here. Now, this is the generic canopy and stuff that the other Emerson ceiling fans uses. And then let me see what's in here. Down rod. And then these are the blades to the ceiling fan and stuff. So it has reversible blades from walnut to light oak or medium oak or whatever finish these blades are called. And then here are the other three remaining blades. So here's another one right here. And then this the motor housing to the fan and stuff. And this ceiling fan doesn't have a specific date for it and stuff. But I want to say is but this was definitely manufactured back in the 1990s. That's when the ceiling fan was made. But I want to say it was manufactured back in the mid to the late 1990s. But it's definitely a 90s fan, but I don't know the exact years from. But due to the fact that the file number for the ceiling fan is E77491, this ceiling fan was manufactured by King of Fans. And as you can see that it's missing one out of four of the screw nuts and stuff to actually hold the motor housing down in place and stuff. And then here's the ceiling fan light kit and stuff. It didn't come with globes and stuff, which really doesn't matter to me and stuff, because I can always find some globes for this light kit and stuff. So that's really no biggie and stuff. And it has a wire harness and stuff. And it's 3 speeds. And it's electrically reversible. As you can see, this is a forward and reverse switch. And then here's the mounting hardware and stuff. And some of the screws goes to the motor of the fan. But this motor is kind of bent and stuff due to the shipping thing and stuff. So it kind of has a shipping defect and stuff. But that's really no biggie because I can always bend it back in its place and stuff. And it does run quiet and stuff. But the bearing's not that loose and stuff. But I'm not going to oil it because I don't want to make the ceiling fan have a bearing noise to it. And then I don't know what is up with this wall control being inside this box and stuff. And he probably put the wall control inside the box by accident and probably forgot, but I don't know. But I might end up finding some remote receiver. I might end up finding a remote receiver that goes to a Hunter Simple Connect ceiling fan remote receiver and stuff. And I'm gonna try to figure out how to program this remote to that Hunter remote, to the Hunter Simple Connect remote receiver and stuff. So other than that, I'm about to go on and show you guys all the parts that the fan came with and stuff. So this the canopy and this the mounting bracket and stuff. Then these are the fan blades and stuff and the light kit and stuff. So other than that, I'm about to go on and end this video. So this is Mr. Ceiling Fan Man 1999 signing out this video, and I'm out.